You want to create AI image using the Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let me show you how. Open the Gemini app on your phone. Sometimes you will immediately see quick options such as create image on the main screen. If the option does not appear, don't worry, tap the menu icon that looks like a small list near the text box. This will open more options from this list like create image, now you can type a description of the image you want to generate. Okay, for example, you can type something like create a futuristic city at sunset. Okay, then send the prompt and wait a few seconds while Gemini generates your image. And that's how to create AI image using Gemini on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can share, copy, or save. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.